welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install these passion twists. Yes, I am so excited because I've been trying to try these out for a very long time, and I finally did them. I'm going to show you in this video how I install the twist. So if you would like to see how I install these twists, keep watching. I've been checking out a lot of different YouTubers and looking at their method on how they do their passion twist. And actually there are a lot of awesome techniques out there, but I kind of just wanted to put my twist on it. So I know there are a couple different types of hair that you can use. A lot of people use the water wave, but I'm going to be using the Bohemian braid hair. And I'm going to be using the color TP427. And so there are like 3 different colors in this hair. And as you guys know, you must prep the hair before you start. And I've already like prepped 5 packs. So this is what 5 packs of prepped hair looks like. I know, all this hair is about to be in my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I prep the hair. I just take the hair out of the pack and I go ahead and cut the little silver string off of it. And then I take one piece at a time and I kind of tug it. And that kind of starts to loosen it up, and I separate one side at a time, and there you have it. So all you're doing is just loosening up the curl and just getting it prepped. See, I just separated it by pulling it. That makes it much easier to separate. So after you finish prepping your hair, a lot of times I notice people have washed their hair and conditioned their hair and all of that, and I did that a couple days ago. I've been wearing my hair in these twists, and I'm just gonna go ahead and twist my hair using these already pre-twisted sections. That way I don't have to worry about parting and everything like that. I've done that already. Okay, so here are the products that I'm gonna be using. I'm going to be using my spray bottle of water and conditioner. I was given this jojoba oil and Ucuuba butter braid up conditioning gel with carrot seed oil. I've been given that to try out, so I'll be using that as my conditioning gel. And then I'll also use a little bit of my shea butter mixture that I mixed up to just seal it in some of that moisture. And then finally I'll be using the Shine and Jam to slick down the ends as I'm twisting the hair on down, and also at my roots to keep the hair tight. Well, there are a couple different methods regarding whether you want to keep the ends the way they are or whether you want to cut them. So I'm going to choose the cutting option. I'm going to cut each braid at each twist at the ends, just to give it a more unified look. So without further ado, let's get into the style.